Hi everyone, I just want to send a quick video regarding this fact sheet assignment. You'll start to probably see and hear a lot more videos from me as we're moving on to online completely for our courses. So this one's just quick to remind you that the fact sheets are due next week. We're still going to keep with that due date. I know most of you are already working on it, so that's great. You don't necessarily have to print it yet because obviously I'm not going to be able to get the book from you. So what I'm going to do is mark it like I did the kids book. You're just going to hand it in to me in this area here in the fact sheets assignment to full book. You can find that in your assignment tab. So if you go to assignment tab and scroll down, mine looks a little different than yours, but you'll find it here. So once you click in there, there will be the rubric. I'm just going to work on getting that in there today, and then you will see the rubric there. And basically what will happen is I'll just mark it. You need to convert it to PDF just to make it a bit smaller of a file. I'm hopeful that this is going to work out and I can get all of them this way. If something should so happen that it gets full and I can't, then we will figure out another way. We'll use OneDrive or Google Docs or something, so don't worry about that. I've opened it up to 2 submissions, so just in case your first one doesn't go well or something happens, you do something and forget to add something, you have a second opportunity to do that, so don't worry about that. Just be sure if you have any questions, you're emailing me. I can also be available via face-to-face if you want to do a Skype or a meeting. I can set something up where we have lots of technology now that's available to us to be able to do that, so I'm certainly available to you if you have questions. You can upload the full book. I already have your kids' book in there, but if it's already together, like you've made it one file, that's fine. If you've made it 2 files, then just give me your adult book. I think that's all I wanted to say about that. It's due next Thursday at 11:59 p.m. Certainly you can hand it in any time before that. I do recommend, getting on top of it now while you have the time, because once classes start back up, there's likely to be more things coming at you. So yeah, if you have any other questions about this assignment, please email me. Talk to you soon.